day everyone, I am CJ Ramos, a student from BTBT Ed Fish Processing 3A. Today, I will be present my midterm portfolio and Proof Ed 10 Work-Based Learning with emphasis on trainer's methodology under Mr. Don Raymond L. Bermundo. My portfolio is about fish product packaging and C2. Qualification, it shows my activities, findings, and learning experiences during the conduct of the training needs analysis and other activities. This presentation will explain what is inside my portfolio and what I have learned in each part. First, it is the table of contents. So, this portfolio consists the training needs analysis, training plan, training facilities list or checklist, trainee's record book, trainee's progress sheet. The first activity is the training needs analysis. The TNA form identifies the trainee's strengths and weaknesses in basic competencies, common competencies, and core competencies, helping the plan effective training activities. So, if you can see, all of the important data I gathered here is based on my survey or G form that I conducted to the student of Camarines Sur Polytechnic College's ELX 3A. So, I identify their training gaps and current competency in each trainee. So, the next activities is the training plan. So, the training plan outlines the schedule, objectives, and the activities designed to develop needed skill and knowledge for fish product packaging and C2. So, if you can see, I make a training plan in each trainee so that I will identify their training activities that they will do to complete the necessary requirements for this qualification. So, all of this is based on the training needs analysis. The next activities is the training facilities list and schedules. So, if you can see, we have the trainee 9. So, I just put one trainee to make this activity. Since his trainee 9 is have the most training gaps under the survey, so I identify their, or I just make his or her a training facilities list. So in this section, it talks about the list of the activities, tools, materials, and equipment required for the training to ensure a safe and complete learning environment. So all of the materials, tools, and each competencies I identify here so that the trainee can use it in a different competencies. As long as the training facilities, so I make it. The next activities is the trainee's record book. Since the trainee 9 is na-identify natin doon sa training facilities, so I make his or her a trainee's record. So what this trainee's records all about? So the trainee records book shows the activities attendance, and performance of each trainee during training process. So these records will be handled by the trainer, ensures that the trainee has the all necessary requirements to complete this qualification. So the next activities shows the trainee's progress sheet. So what this all about? In this part tracks the progress of each trainee, showing what competencies have been completed and what are areas that need to improve. So if you can see, I just put all this progress sheet to trainee 9. So all of that is for trainee 1. So that ends my presentation. I hope you learned something and understand my presentation. Thank you for listening and watching my videos.